Hi there. Once you have a worksheet saved as a JPEG image, you can convert it to a worksheet using these steps. I'm going to show you method A, which is for when you want a full 8.5 by 11 worksheet and slides. You're going to do a custom page setup and then insert the image of the worksheet as a background in Google Slides and finally add the text boxes. Now I have made a template for the custom paper size. So if you go to bit.ly.com/standard paper size and it'll ask you to make a copy, go ahead and do that. I also have one bit.ly/standard paper size landscape if you want something to be horizontal orientation. Once you do that, you're going to get this. See, it's a copy of 8.5 by 11 worksheet, and you notice that this is the exact dimensions of a piece of paper. Now I'm going to show you what I did in case you need to reproduce this sometime in the future. I went to File, Page Setup, and they have different orientations. I picked custom, 8.5 by 11 inches, and on the other one I just did 11 by 8.5 inches. So apply. And then I'm going to view the master to show you something else I did. So I removed all of the layouts because if you have different layouts, you're going to have the preset placeholder boxes and subtitle boxes. So I deleted all the layouts except for one, and then I took all the text off the layouts. So to just give you an idea of what I've done, I'm going to go into this untitled presentation, view master, and see a normal presentation has all these master slides. Now you can't delete the first one, but you can go to the second one, and I'm just hitting delete, 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 delete. I have all of these. And now I'm going to get rid of the text boxes on both the master and the layouts. Okay, so that's what I did for this worksheet. Now I'm going to go back into deselect master. Okay, so now I'm in the worksheet. And if I had just opened up a new template, I would be right here and I don't have to do anything else. I'm going to go to background and choose image. And I have it on my hard drive. So there it is. Done. Wow, wasn't that fast? It honestly takes 2 seconds. So I now have an image of the worksheet as the background for this slide. Now all I have to do is insert text box. I'm going to make a nice big text box that's going to fill it up. Now, you really want to color the text box because there's a text box here, but if I haven't colored it and I scroll out of it, nobody can tell that there's anything there. So I'm going to pick this nice light blue color, and I love an outline. So that looks nice, right? So now I'm going to copy and I'm going to paste it 2 times here because I know I need 2 more. And then I'm just going to drag this one over here and drag this one over here. And see how I have the red line? That shows you that they are aligned. And I'm going to do the same thing to align these. So I'm going to click on this one, click on the next one, and see how they're not aligned? If I go to Arrange, Align, Center, I just think that looks neater. Now here's another little trick. I'm going to select all of the text boxes that I have. So I'm Shift, click, Shift, click, Shift, click. I now have them all selected. I'm going to do Arrange and Group. That way, if a kid accidentally moves one, they kind of all move together, and then it's easy enough to put it back. So locking it. Okay. I hope this has been helpful.